Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I've got a couple of Johnny Lightnings and a couple of M2 machines. I kind of fell in love with M2 machines, guys, because they do a lot of vintage releases and the detailing is pretty up there with the likes of Mini GT and Tarmac Works. And they're reasonably priced as well, so you can't go wrong. I've got 3 Chevrolet Camaros. I've got a beautiful red Coke livery. It's something about Coke livery, guys. It's really appealing. That's why I grabbed that one. And this one came with a little lift, so you can have 2 cars on one on top of the other. Then I have a Hummer, and of course I've got the Green Hornet Imperial Crown Custom that was used in the series by Van Williams and Bruce Lee. Green Hornet and Kato. Just giving you guys a closer look. That's the 1985 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. I've got a couple more in different color schemes and slight variants. Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. Then I've got a Hummer H2 Miho exclusive from Johnny Lightning, and that's the one I mentioned earlier, the Imperial Crown Custom by Johnny Lightning, used in the Green Hornet TV series. Alright guys, I'll start off with the M2 Machines Chevy Camaro IROC Z. Guys, take a look at this one. They've given you a little base, chrome colored base. It's screwed in. And they've given you a little display case as well. That's just awesome, guys. It's absolutely beautiful and stunning. I haven't seen a lot of brands do this. They don't just give you a beautiful collectible, but they also give you a base stand along with a display case. Okay, I've just managed to unscrew the car and it is looking stunning, guys. I don't know if the hood pops up for M2. Yes, it does. Pretty neat, guys. M2 Machines. And they've got the year as the license plate, 1985. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep. So the taillights are plastic, so are the reverse lights and the indicators or blinkers. Goodyear on the rubber tires. Painted headlights. It's got Chevrolet, or rather Camaro in the front, with Coca-Cola across the bonnet, and 85 race livery on the top and the sides. All right, guys, let's look at this second beautiful set. Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. I'm loving the detailing on this, guys. These 2 cars look magnificent. I love the purple and the yellow color schemes used. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. The heartbeat of America. Guys, check this out. Both of them are neatly placed and screwed, double screwed, the bottom as well as the top one. Beautiful IROC Z on the lift. Absolutely loving it, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you, M2 Machines, and thank you, Lord Jesus. Alright guys, I've just managed to unscrew both the cars and the lift off the plastic base. Loving this metal lift, guys. Alright, I'll show you the cars as well. Absolutely loving these releases, guys. Thanks to M2 Machines. Beautiful rubber tires, 5-spoke chrome rims, painted headlights, Camaro on the front, black racing stripes, plastic taillights, blinkers, license plate, reverse lights, side mirrors, metal chassis, metal base, and I'm sure, yep, there you go, guys. Every single model's got some opening parts to it. And if you look at the purple one, my favorite color, black rubber tires, beautiful black on the bonnet, LSX twin turbo. You can look at the fans down the bottom. Yes, the hood pops up. You can see the engine, slightly detailed. I'm loving the Chevrolet logo on the rear windscreen. Plastic taillights, blinkers, reverse lights, guys. Metal chassis base, rubber tires, and look at the rear tires, guys. Much wider than the front ones. I like the little elevation on the bonnet as well. Superb, guys. All right, let's look at this next piece. A beautiful Hummer H2. Oh, sorry guys, this one's a Hummer H1 wagon. My apologies, my bad. Filthy facts. This is the first Baja-styled Hummer released by Johnny Lightning. The H1 was known as the Hummer from its release in 1992 until 1999. There you go, guys. Fun facts, or like Johnny Lightning mentions, filthy facts. Looking pretty good, guys. All right, let's take a close look. Quite nice, guys. It's got this beautiful black and red color scheme. Front grille, fog lights, blinkers, headlights are painted. It's got some lights on the roof. Baja pallets, off-road paradise. Pretty neat, guys. Painted windows, painted tail lights. I might add a few chrome accents, but pretty neat, guys. I don't know if Johnny gives you any opening parts. No, doesn't look like it. Rubber tires, metal chassis. It's got a nice heavy feel to it, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys, give it up to Johnny Lightning's The Green Hornet Tribute, the beautiful 1966 Imperial Crown Custom. Apparently it's only, it's one of 7,200, so they only made about 7,200 units worldwide. And this one also is a Miho exclusive. They've given us a beautiful box, like your Matchbox cars. I'm loving the car already, guys. And thanks to Johnny Lightning, they've also provided a little mini figure of Bruce Lee as Kato and Van Williams as the Green Hornet. I'm loving the front. Absolutely stunning, guys. That's the back of it. Beautiful artwork. And if I'm correct, this was released in 1966. The Green Hornet, I think, only lasted for one season and got canned. So, and then Bruce Lee obviously moved on and went back to Hong Kong and made those beautiful movies. I'm a big fan of Bruce Lee, guys. He's probably one of the best martial arts masters or martial artists to ever live. All right, I'll get him out of the pack and take a closer look. I just thought I'll show you guys the box quickly. The collectible box, the protective storage casing. Quite nice, guys. That's the beautiful car in the figure, guys. I like Johnny Lightning's attempt on making it look so real. I like Bruce Lee's personality, his skinny figure, the trench coats, the suits, the eye masks. Pretty cool, guys. Take a look at the car, guys. Imperial Crown Custom. That's the front. I might have to add some chrome on it. Doesn't look very neat, but still quite happy with it, guys. Always wanted to own this beauty, but never got around doing it. But thank God I found this thing online and managed to grab it. Quite nice, guys. It's got the beautiful matte black. Plenty of painted stuff on the back. All that James Bond style gadgets and accessories that go into the vehicle. There's no opening parts on this one, but it's got a metal base and overall quite nice, guys. And that's Van Williams, the Green Hornet. And this, guys, is Bruce Lee. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm a Bruce Lee fan. I'm not an imitator, but I like to imitate accents. And I love the way Bruce Lee always spoke in his Hong Kong Chinese American accent. And this is what he always says, like in interviews and stuff. I'll try and do a decent job, hopefully. All the time people come up to me and say, "Hey Bruce, are you really that good?" Well, if I say I'm good, you probably think I'm boasting. If I say I'm no good, you know I'm lying. Boards don't hit back. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. That's all the cars we had to look at today. In today's unboxing video, we had to look at 3 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Zs, red with the Coke livery, yellow with the black racing stripes, and the purple and black color scheme. Then we had to look at the beautiful Hummer H1 by Johnny Lightning. And then, of course, the beautiful 1966 Green Hornet Imperial Crown Custom, along with Van Williams and Bruce Lee minifigures. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in my next unboxing video.